Sarah. Welcome to Project Free Intrusion Detection System with SNORT. SNORTs operate by examining network packets and comparing them against a set of user-defined rules. It can detect various types of attack, including port scan, buffer overflows, and malware infection. Let's go ahead and start with step 1. This one is just making sure you copy and you have the capability of copy and paste between two virtual machines, which I already updated. So let's go ahead to configure the network interface on Ubuntu SSH target by using this one right here. So I'm just going to copy that and go to the Ubuntu SSH target right here. This Ubuntu SSH source is Ubuntu SSH target. Okay, and what we're needing from here, we want to make sure that this is the same, the NIC card name, which is ENS33, and we have our CIDR notation, which is this one, the IP address combination /24, and then we're going to need this for the entire lab. Okay, let's go on the next step. We gotta enable the promiscuous mode. Copying this and paste it on our virtual machine. Virtual machine is the same one as the SSH target. Okay, that's okay. Great, what is this? Okay, that went through. And the next one is install the SNORT by using this command. And good thing about, installing or updating your sudo, it's just giving you more options to do. Like you can update your copy and paste function, copy that and paste over here. Run it again. This one just to update your sudo and your snort. Okay, next one is, it didn't prompt us to change any passwords, so we didn't need this, but we need to understand that in the near future we're going to use the IP address. Look, this one we're going to replace the last 3 digit with a 0/24, and that is our network. Okay, let's go ahead and configure SNORT. You can check the version over here. And that's the version right there, which is 2.9.20. Moving forward, gotta run this one. Backup configuration. And then after that, and kind of sudo nano, and this command enable us to change update the configuration files with nano file, enable us to change or update the file. Let's change that. So this is pretty much the entire file that we need to run later on. But let's scroll through it just to see what's in it. And if you notice, there's a note in here that says the IPv4 home underscore net. You replace any with this line with a network right here. So replace any with a network. So go ahead and making sure that is correct. Okay, so it already cut our IPv4. Right now, if it has any, you replace it with the network right here. So that really well, you can edit it. Like this is how you edit it. If you go on here, you see that you need to update your network. Just be like that. And 10/24, and you press Control X, and you press yes, and you press enter. That's you editing your file. Okay, the next one, you move to testing your configuration. Just need to copy this and paste that. Okay, and that execute the file really well. SNORT successfully validates the configuration. So that went well. The next one, we need to set up our detection rule. So we can copy this and go to our SSH target, paste this, and this null our root file. So if you see something has changed our files, like this is the one that we need to edit. Like if we need to edit any of this, but this is the same one that we have. So you go over here, you need to copy everything over here. Like you see, this is the same rules, they're in here and it's already copied to our lab. Like this is how you delete it, and then you need to copy that in there. Yep, copy and just paste it, and then Control X, just say yes, enter, and then we're now going to go ahead to validate our rules by using this command. Go over here, paste it. There you go. SNORT successfully validate the configuration, and these are the root engines that we put it through. It's a big file. So let's move along to our run snort. Okay, so sudo snort this, copy, paste it to our, okay, enter this down. So you gotta understand the option. To learn about the option used, run a man sort in a separate console type to follow the option Example, negative 8 to show. Okay, so we're running that. Triggering alert. On Ubuntu SSH source, we're gonna bing the computer. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and go to this one, and we're gonna bing that computer, the Ubuntu SSH target. Okay, so go to the instructions and it say replace IP. Okay, switch the SNORT listening terminal on Ubuntu SSH target. You should see the IC and B alert logs being generated. Okay, so we go over here and you switch the target. Okay, and I should see something generate. What's going on? Is it generating? It should generate. Okay. Snort listening. Snort listening. So it has to make any sound or something, but apparently it should generate some snort listening over here. Alrighty. Here, go back to our instructions. Yay. So when you switch pages to see the SSH alert logs being generated. Great. So let's go ahead and run this test right here on the Ubuntu target on SSH source. Okay, go over here, Control C. SSH. Yes. Right. Okay, well, it should do something with the computer. The SSH generated. When we run this, it should generate something. But it didn't. Did it prompt anything? Okay, well that brings us to the end of our lab. I hope this helped you out. Okay, so we already see everything, and we bring us to the end of our lab. I hope you learned something